wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia. And welcome back to Dream Again! Yay! Hi! Do you know what today is? Today we're going to do, story time. Yeah, today I'm going to read to you guys. That sounds fun, doesn't it? Oh, you know what we could do instead? We could have you read to me. Do you want to read to me? Oh, that would be so nice. Maybe one day you guys can send in little stories that you write and I could read them. Oh, that'd be fun. Okay, well, think about that. If you want to do that, that'd be really, really cool. I'd like that. But for today, until I get your stories, I am going to read Rocket Baby. Yeah, sounds like a song, doesn't it? It does. Okay. Is everybody ready? Elmo, are you ready? Okay. Noah? Okay. Fluffy? Okay. Everybody's ready. Okay. We're all set. Okay. This is a nice one. Rocket by baby, up to the moon. Nighttime is falling. Sleep will come soon. We'll climb in the spaceship, and that's where we'll stay, snuggled up close as we're carried away. Aw, they're gonna get into a rocket and go up to the moon. The moon's up so high. Aw, it's kind of like the book that Noah read to us, right? About the solar system. Aw, I like this one. Okay. Engines will rumble before the big flare. Then we'll lift off and soar through the air. Passing through clouds, we'll look to the ground. And off we'll go, up to the sky. Up and away through pillows of white. Aw, white, because clouds are white, right? Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Up and away through pillows of white, over the edge of earth, on our flight. Aw, that's so nice. Have you guys ever wanted to ride in a rocket? I think so. I think I'd like to ride in a rocket. I'd like to go way up high and get to touch the clouds and be in the outside and, oh, it'd be amazing. And then I could look down on Earth and see it with all its greens and blues, all the different colors. Oh, that's really neat. I like that. I like that idea a lot. Great. Yeah. Way up in space, you'll float from your bed. 10 tiny toes up over your head. Yeah, how do you think you could float with your toes over your head? But in space you can because there's not gravity, so you just float. Yep. That's very nice. And there beside you, your teddy bear, he's floating too. Up in the air. Aw, he brought his teddy bear to space. I would do that too. Yeah. Maybe I would bring Noah and Fluffy. Yeah, they would be good space buddies. Who would you bring to space, guys? Elmo, who would you? Maybe you'd bring Peppa or Polar Bear. Yeah, there's so many choices. I like it. Okay, also, we'll stargaze together and then make a fish upon a big bear, a lion, a fish. Ooh, a wish on a fish? Wait, how does that work? How do you wish on a fish? Oh, I know. Do you know, guys, up in the sky, the stars at night, they actually are constellations, which is a big word that means a collection of stars that look like different animals. Yeah, you can see them. People People draw the outlines. It's like a dot to dot with the stars. Yeah. Wow. I like that idea too. I'd like to do a dot to dot in the stars in the sky. That'd be amazing. We could fly up with our rocket, and then our rocket would soar around from star to star to star, but the rocket dust would then make a line between one star and another star and another star and another star, and we would see all the stars and we'd be all connected together, and it would make a big giant picture of Fluffy, our dog in space, and then we would call it Space Dog. Oh, wow. Going to space has so many possibilities. I like that. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be reading. Oops. Sorry, guys. I got really excited about space. Watching in awe as meteors race, we'll pass other babies sailing through space. Babies don't go to space. That's for astronauts. Aw, I like this though. Oh, look. Babies sailing through space. Look at the smiles on their tiny face. Aw. Yeah, babies in space would be pretty happy babies, huh? Yeah. All of us flying from here to there. Our rocket ships racing right through the air. Yeah, I'd like my rocket to race through the air. That'd be really neat, huh? Aw, if you guys had a rocket, where would you go? I think I would go to the furthest star. I'd go to, I don't know what it is. I'd pick one. Oh, I'd pick one that shined really, really bright and was sparkly and really big, and I'd go to that star. And then on that star, there's probably babies. There's probably babies. Like in this book, there's babies in space, and they're having a good time. It would be, I could do it like, up on my star, up in the sky, babies, oh rock-a-bye, rock-a-bye baby, way up in space. I like to look at your smiling face. That's my own little rhyme, yeah. This writer might be a little bit better, but I'm pretty good. I'm just a kid. Wow, that's amazing. I bet you guys are really good at rhyming too, huh? Yeah, I think rhymes are really fun. Not everyone likes them because you don't have as many words to choose from, but I think it's really cool. It's like poetry. I like poetry. There are lots of like this book. This book is actually a poem and a story. Because it rhymes the whole way through. That's really neat. Okay, let's get back to the book, huh? Okay. Watching in awe as meteors race, we'll pass other babies sailing through space. Oh, yeah. I read that line twice, I think. Oops. Sharing her moon. Oh, I almost skipped a page, guys. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. The moon big and bright will wink when she spies you, my dear baby, rubbing your eyes. Aw, because when we get tired, we rub our eyes, right, guys? I'm kind of tired right now, but I'm going to stay awake through the rest of the book. Dear little baby, flying through the night, I will hold you so tight. Aw, and then Mom gives the baby a hug. That's really nice. I like that Mom flies the baby to space and gives the baby a hug. That's really nice. Aw. And then, sharing her moon dust from craters so deep, she'll blow you a kiss and send you to sleep. The moon will send babies to sleep. Aw, yeah. And the moon in her sky, with a twinkle in her eye, will send you all up to the sky. Then on the way home, we'll make our way through blankets of stars to earth, round and blue. Aw, so after they go up to space and go to sleep, then they're gonna go home so they can be in their nice warm beds. I like that. Down we will glide through velvety black. I love you, dear baby, to the moon and back. Aw, guys, that's so sweet. I really like that. This is a really, really nice story, huh? It's like a good bedtime story. Oh, I'm tired. I think it's close to my bedtime. Wow. Thank you guys joining me so much. This has been a really, really nice time. This was a good night story, huh? Yeah. I like this one. This is one that I'm going to listen to or read every time I want to go to sleep. And then when I dream, I will dream about moon dust up in the sky. Fly away, fly away, fly away high. Aw. Thanks, guys. This was great. Thank you for coming to dream again. I hope you have sweet dreams again. All right. Bye. Bye. Good night. Good night. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!